Hello everyone, welcome to Memorize with Meenal. This video is very important for the future NIAPER aspirants. So, if you are new to my channel, please press the bell icon for the further notification and subscribe my channel. So let's begin our today's video. NIAPER Ahmedabad, a journey to NIAPER Ahmedabad, mission to NIAPER. So for this, you have to dream big, you have to aim high to achieve the best. So never ever limit your thoughts and achieve your aim. So let's see what is the today's aim. That is, what should be your All India rank in NIAPER examination to get admission in NIAPER Ahmedabad. So the question over here is, what is NIAPER? NIAPER is National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research. In the country is a center of excellence for imparting higher education, research and development in pharmaceutical sciences and management. There are in total 7 NIAPERs in the country, out of which these are NIAPER Ahmedabad, NIAPER Guwahati, NIAPER Hajipur, NIAPER Hyderabad, NIAPER Kolkata, NIAPER Rai Bareli and NIAPER Sasnagar Mohali. When it comes to NIAPER Ahmedabad, National Institution Ranking Framework NIRF by MHRD 2021 has ranked NIAPER Ahmedabad at 10th position amongst the pharma institutions in India. The institute has also been placed in Band A category in the Atal ranking of institutions on innovation achievements. Now, the main aim of making this video was to give you a brief idea how to enter in specific course with your All India rank. The master courses which are offered by NIAPER Ahmedabad in 2021 are as follows. For MS Pharma, there are Biotechnology 15 seats, Medicinal Chemistry 22 seats, Medical Devices 15 seats, Natural Products 12 seats, Pharmaceutical Analysis 22 seats, Pharmacology and Toxicology 22 seats, Pharmaceutics 22 seats. And there is MBA Pharm program also offered by NIAPER Ahmedabad, that is Pharmaceutical Management 25 seats. So in total 155 seats were offered by NIAPER Ahmedabad in the year 2021. There are chances that in 2022 the number of seats may be increased. So let's see the opening and closing ranks in 2021 in different departments. Let's begin with biotechnology. There were in total 15 seats, out of which the division over here is category wise. For general, those who got 242 rank to 350 rank, they were admitted by this All India rank to specific department. Then if you are ranking between 370 to 439, you will get through EWS category. Then if you are a OBC candidate, then you have to achieve between 291 or 435. Or if you are from SC category, and 1296 was the All India rank achieved by the student who got a seat in biotechnology, and the ST category student rank was 2395. So out of this specialization of rank, this is very much clear that you have to achieve a rank lower than this. Then only you will get a seat in biotechnology, because every time there is a rise in the ranking as well as the competition increases, so it is a compulsory mandatory situation for you to rank a good in the following coming examination of NIAPER. So if you are ranking below 350, then you will get seat if you are a general candidate. If you comes in EWS category, then you have to rank below 439. And if you are a OBC candidate, then you have to aim below 435 your All India rank. And SC and ST could go a higher rank. If we talk about medicinal chemistry, there are in total 22 seats, out of which I have collected data for general, EWS, OBC and SC. There was no candidate enrolled through ST and PH from this department. So for this general category, the overall rank which was shown by the students is 144 to 500, EWS was 428, OBC was 326 to 600 and SC was 1218 to 1486. So these are the specific ranks which was gained by the students of admitted in specific course. And if you want to aim in 2022 in medicine chemistry, your all India rank must be below these specific ranks. Then if we talk about medical devices, there are in total 15 seats. Therefore, the ranks which I got from specific students is General, EWS, OBC and SC. I don't have any data for ST and PH students. For General it is 423 to 520. For EWS 466 to 611. For OBC 567 to 635. And for SC category it was 1400 all India rank. So these all India rank you have to get in mind, because you have to aim high in the future NAPRA examination to achieve a seat in medical devices. Then if we see natural products, there are in total 12 seats, and you can see the all India rank has gone quite high in this specific department. For General, EWS, OBC and ST, the data goes as, for General, if you're ranking below 610, then you will get a seat. For EWS, the candidate scored 680. For OBC, the rank was 641 to 663. For SC, it was 1577, and for ST category, it was 2495. So it becomes a little easy to enter in a natural products department because the rank gone very high. Now there comes pharmaceutical analysis. There is also a competition because in general you can see the rank closed at 195 for OBC. And this way who are aiming for SC category, then they have to aim below 544 because the rank was 524 to 544. And for ST the rank was 1972 as given by the candidate. So there is a competition for general. You have to aim quite higher all India rank in the future upcoming exam. Then comes pharmacology and toxicology. There are in total 22 seats and the competition was still here. For general category the rank was closing at 233. For EWS category the rank closed at 285. For OBC category the rank closed at 280. And for SC category it was from 528 to 1102. And for ST category there was one enrolled student, that is 1970 all India rank. So this way you can see that the competition has increased as well as for pharmaceutical analysis and pharmacology toxicology. Both the branches had good competition, as well as now we'll see for pharmaceutical. The highest category rank as well as the general rank also went quite high in this specific department. For general the opening rank was 29 and the closing at 1110. For EWS the rank is 136. For OBC the rank was 118 to 144. For SC category it was 523 to 1492. And for ST category it is 1951. For PH category is 339. So this way if you are aiming for pharmaceutics in the future examination through NIPER, then you have to achieve a quite good rank. So if you are aiming for NIPER Ahmedabad, then you have to be below 100. So this data is only for 2021. For in the upcoming 2022, the rank may go high. That's why you have to set your level. You have to aim high and achieve a quite good rank. Then comes the pharmaceutical management, the MBA seats. In total 25 seats are there. For general category it was seen at 220 to 580. For EWS category the all India rank was 619 to 661. For OBC category it is 653 to 786. For SC category it is 2552 to 2623. For ST category it was still 1524. And for PH there is one enrolled student who got 2614. This way you can see in general category, India EWS, all those have quite high ranks. So it becomes a little easy to enter in the MBA courses. Actually the data over here is varying because of the COVID condition, the discussion was not there, that is the GD, group discussion was not held, and these ranks which they got, the admission which they got is only on the basis of written examination. That's why the changes in the data is possibly the reason behind these ranks. So this was all about different seats and the opening and closing ranks. So the clear-cut information for you is never lose your hope, work hard and smartly too. Never stop reading the basic funda behind getting an admission in NAPER, any NAPER, it can be NAPER Ahmedabad, NAPER Mohali, or Hyderabad, or any other, then you have to achieve it by your aim. Because if you are aiming for 200, then definitely you will get till 150. Then get book smart. The only reason behind keeping this tag is to set yourself into an environment that you can change your book as the way you like. You can make it interesting also, and by marking yourself, by setting your goals, you can achieve whatever you want, whatever rank you want to have. Basically, students think that hoping for best three NIPERs, that is top NIPERs, that is NIPER Mohali, Hyderabad, as well as Ahmedabad, is good, and other NIPERs are not an average, not so good. They are an average. There is basic funda behind students' approach. But what I think is each and every NIPER is perfect for a NIPER aspirant. It really doesn't matter which NIPER you got. What matters is the environment, the study which you are enrolling. What matters is what are you going to study in the specific department. If you want to have specific subject, like if you are aiming for pharmaceutics and you are not getting a seat in NIPER Mohali, then go for other NIPERs. Don't change your specific subject, because what matters is your subject choice, because with the same subject you have to deal in the future also. This is not only about having 2 years in the specific subject. You have to deal with it in the future too. You have to go with it for the PhD if someone wants. You have to go with the specific subject in the industry too. So, choosing a specific subject in NIPER is all about your future satisfaction. If you are going wrong in this situation, then it becomes very difficult to achieve all your possibilities in the future, as well as whatever luxury you wanted in that field. So if you are aiming for a specific subject, go for it, either it be any NIPER. But don't change your choice only because of specific branch. Now it comes only and only on you how you move on. So this was all about the ranks, and thank you for watching my video. Like it, share it, and subscribe it, and do comment down so that I could know you like my video or not. Thank you.